Your words don't vanish after you say them. They leave an energetic fingerprint on reality. Every sound is a signal. Every phrase is an energy signature. Today I'm going to show you why what you speak doesn't just pass through air, it programs your atmosphere. In physics, energy leaves an imprint wherever it moves. Your voice is vibration. Every word carries frequency. That frequency codes reality like a signature stamps a document. You're signing contracts with every sentence, agreements that your life will honor. The ancients knew this. That's why mantras and prayers repeat words. They're not superstition. They're energy signatures layered until reality aligns. Scripture says you shall have what you say. Why? Because your words are living codes. Sematics proves sound organizes matter into geometric patterns. Your voice is like a stylus carving lines in the substance of the universe. If sound can sculpt sand, your speech can sculpt your circumstances. Casual words carry the same creative power as intentional ones. You can sign a contract of fear without realizing it. Stop signing agreements you don't want to enforce. Speak only what you want stamped on your future. Here's how to code your world consciously. Number 1, intentional phrases. Don't speak what you don't want. Number 2, high vibe vocabulary. Use words that carry life, not death. Number 3, repeat and seal. Repeat declarations until they saturate your field. For example, I seal this day with peace. I stamp my life with overflow. I mark my future with glory. Every word is a signature. Sign wisely. You're not just speaking, you're signing. Every syllable writes a law in vibration. So speak carefully, speak boldly, and leave your signature on reality. To go deeper, check out my video course, Law of Command. There I'll show you how to shape reality with your speech. Inside, access this course at esotericastudies.com/LOC or use the link in my channel description. Thank you for watching.